Imagine this. You're carrying a 201-inch TV around in your pocket. Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you it just got better? That's right. The future of portable entertainment has arrived, and it's going to blow your mind. We've all heard about projectors and foldable screens, but this takes things to a whole new level. Introducing the latest breakthrough in display technology, a pocket-sized projector that can transform any surface into a massive 201-inch screen, all in 4K Ultra HD quality. Imagine having a personal movie theater that fits in your pocket. No longer confined to small screens or cumbersome projectors, the revolutionary pocket projector brings the big screen experience to life wherever you go. Unleash the power of portability. This tiny gadget is packed with features that rival traditional projectors. With a massive screen size of up to 201 inches, you can enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and games on a scale that's previously unimaginable. The crystal-clear 4K Ultra HD quality ensures every detail is sharp and vibrant, making the viewing experience truly immersive. The built-in speakers deliver cinema-quality sound, immersing you in the audio landscape and enhancing the overall entertainment experience. Imagine watching a thrilling action movie on a screen that's so large it fills your entire field of vision. Every explosion, every chase scene, every detail is brought to life with stunning clarity and vibrancy. The built-in speakers deliver rich, immersive sound, creating a truly cinematic atmosphere that transports you to another world. Whether you're watching a heartwarming drama, a captivating documentary, or a suspenseful thriller, the pocket projector provides a level of detail and clarity that will leave you in awe. The vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp images make every scene come alive, drawing you into the story and making you feel like you're right there in the action. Wireless convenience at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the hassle of tangled cables and cumbersome setups. The pocket projector offers a seamless wireless experience, allowing you to effortlessly stream your favorite content from your smartphone, laptop, or tablet directly onto the big screen. Simply connect your device via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and instantly transform any space into your personal home theater. No more fumbling with cables or searching for the right input. With the pocket projector, your entertainment is just a tap away. Take your entertainment anywhere. The pocket projector is your ultimate entertainment companion, capable of transforming any space into a personal cinema. Whether you're seeking relaxation at home, adventure in the woods, or celebration in your backyard, its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry anywhere, allowing you to enjoy your favorite movies and shows on demand. No matter where you go, the pocket projector ensures that your entertainment is always within reach, providing a cinematic experience wherever you desire. Imagine watching your favorite films under the starry sky on a camping trip, enjoying a romantic movie night in your backyard, or hosting a family movie marathon in your living room. With the pocket projector, the possibilities are endless. The pocket projector's versatility is unmatched. It can be used as a personal cinema for individual enjoyment, a social hub for gatherings with friends and family, or even a professional tool for presentations and educational purposes. Its portability allows you to take it anywhere, from your living room to the great outdoors, ensuring that your entertainment is always accessible and immersive. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or simply someone who enjoys a good show, the pocket projector is the perfect companion to elevate your entertainment experience. Experience the future of entertainment. The pocket projector is more than just a gadget. It's a revolutionary device that redefines the way we experience entertainment. With its powerful features and portable design, it's the perfect way to elevate your viewing experience, bringing the big screen magic wherever you go. No longer are you confined to the limitations of your small TV or laptop screen. The pocket projector empowers you to immerse yourself in your favorite movies, TV shows, and games on a grand scale. Whether you're hosting a movie night with friends, enjoying a solo movie marathon, or simply seeking a more immersive way to watch your favorite content, The Pocket Projector offers an unparalleled experience. It's a device that not only enhances your entertainment, but also opens up new possibilities for how you connect with your favorite media. Benefits. Ultra convenient. The Pocket Projector's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry anywhere, whether you're traveling, camping, or simply relaxing at home. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly design eliminate the need for complicated setups, allowing you to project content onto any surface with ease. Simply pull it out, point it at your desired surface, and start enjoying the show. With its wireless connectivity, you can stream content from your smartphone, laptop, or tablet without any cables, providing a seamless and hassle-free experience. The Pocket Projector's high-quality image and sound output ensure that you'll be fully immersed in your entertainment no matter where you are. Ideal for sharing content, perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to share presentations, lectures, or documents with a large audience. The Pocket Projector's bright and clear projections ensure that everyone can see the content easily, even in well-lit environments. Whether you're giving a presentation in a classroom, a meeting in a boardroom, or a lecture in a large auditorium, the Pocket Projector provides a reliable and effective way to share your information with your audience. Its portability and ease of use make it the ideal tool for anyone who needs to present on the go, without the hassle of lugging around heavy projectors or dealing with complicated setups. Long battery life. The Pocket Projector's long battery life allows you to enjoy hours of entertainment without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or playing games, you can do so for extended periods without needing to recharge. This makes the Pocket Projector ideal for travel, allowing you to take your entertainment with you wherever you go. You can enjoy your favorite movies and shows on long flights, road trips, or camping trips without having to worry about finding a power outlet. Additionally, the long battery life enables you to host back-to-back meetings or presentations without needing to take a break to recharge the projector. This ensures that your meetings and presentations run smoothly and uninterrupted, allowing you to make the most of your time. So, if you're ready to take your entertainment to the next level, this is the gadget you need in your life. A 201-inch TV in your pocket, now better than ever. What are you waiting for? Check it out and be the first among your friends to experience the future of portable entertainment. Wow, can you believe it? A 201-inch TV that fits right in your pocket. It's like something straight out of the future. We've taken a deep dive into how technology has truly evolved to bring cinematic experiences to the palm of our hands. But guess what? This is just the beginning. The world of portable entertainment is getting better and better, and we're only scratching the surface. If you're as excited as I am about where this tech is headed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in innovation. Smash that like button if you're pumped for even more breakthroughs that'll transform how we watch, play, and connect. Let me know in the comments. What's the craziest piece of tech you think we'll see next? And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can be blown away too. Until next time, stay ahead of the game, stay curious, and remember, the future is right in your pocket.